Now it's time to connect Four Seasons, and I did open this one first. I'm going to put my jump ring in between 6, and now it moved. There we go. I'm going to take one of these. I made this with 2 8mm and 1 6mm. And I used a eye pin. That one there is gold. And it has one loop, and then I just use my tool to close it up. There we go. Nope. Now that looks good, I think. All right. That is going to be really pretty, I think. Okay, now we got to get the spring. Now we have to get in the middle. So what I'm going to do, oh, I already put that jump ring on. Try to save a little bit of time. Actually, I have to open it. I was going to use the little piece of chain, and I decided, you know what? You forgot that you made those things. Always take out enough, because I'm not that good at this. Now I hope I can get it back where it was. I think it's right there. Let me just double check. Yeah. So what I did on her little tag, I put a butterfly on the back. That just had all her personal information. I just put it there. I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet. I might hang it in the front hall on the inside. Okay, this is about right. So let's get this. We're going to put that right there. I don't want to get it caught in the wire. There we go. Make sure I get them all facing front. Let's see if I can grab that. Oops, that's not what I wanted to grab. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Let's try it again. Can't do it. There we go. 2 hours later. Now let's not lose it. That looks good. Let's take a look. Oh, I think it is pretty, guys. Look at that. It's elegant for Miss Abby. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's separate them. Right there. I'm going to get my jump ring ready. Okay, I've opened up some of these jump rings because they give me grief to get on the hoop. So let's put this one on. There we go. It's not going to be nice. My hands have been out of focus, I'm sorry. Right now, this is the best I can give you. Still not good from the fall. Alright, let's take a look. I'll look first and then I'll show you. Hopefully it's right. Oh, that's so pretty. It is right. I'm going to fix the roots afterwards, close them back up. That's easy enough to do. Okay, now we're going to take Summer and we're going to find the center of the top of the tree with this piece of wire that I can't pick up. There we go. First I'll just eyeball it and see if I can get it. It's all weighted differently, especially this one. That's a heavy, oh no, that's not good. That could work. So what I'm going to do now is get a jump ring that I already have opened. I'm going to put it right where I have my wire, the marker, hopefully. I can't even see if it was in the right place. Now let's take a look after I drop it. Oh my gosh. I'll show you in a minute. I want to make sure I have them all facing the right way. And I do. Sometimes I don't. So now we have a winter. I think this just makes it so much more elegant. Spring, summer. Now we're ready for fall. This is really giving me grief. It's hard for me to get the jump ring and not have it move because I have these on it, but it's really, really worth the aggravation. I just want to get it done. Oops. There we go. I'm going to take a look and make sure it's the right way. Oh, it is the right way. I feel like I'm even surprised. This one took a long time because it was right after she died, you know? And went to heaven. Okay, so now we have this little kitty. It's just a little plastic with like a sticker on it, but I think it is a nice representation of Miss Abby. I don't know what that's supposed to be at the bottom. It looks like a heart. Let me see if you can see that. A cute little keychain. They have them with all different cats on it. So with this, I might grab my jump ring. Okay. I think I want her to hang this way. We'll just put this, I just took the keychain off and one of their jump rings. I wouldn't be able to have gotten it on here. No, hopefully. Okay, are we done? Just move this. Now that fin is all over my, trying to get all over my workspace, I can't leave anything out. Oh, look at that. How adorable. Okay, guys, I appreciate everything that, all the support that you've given me throughout this really hard time in my life. And with that, let's just take a final look. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. Nice thing about the 4 seasons, they all stack up. Even if you do it in a bracelet, as long as you put a little dangle in the middle, or even 2 jump rings. All right, I will see you for the next project. Bye, guys.